When workplace injuries or health concerns happen, the first call shouldn't be confusion. With Medcor's Teletriage service, employees connect directly with trained nurses who understand work-related health issues anytime, day or night. It's real medical guidance without unnecessary delays or guesswork. Teletriage isn't general telemedicine, it's designed for occupational health. Employees get immediate access to licensed nurses who assess symptoms and recommend the right level of care, whether that's simple first aid guidance or a referral for further treatment. That means fewer unnecessary emergency room visits, fewer lost hours, and faster decisions that keep people safe and productive. Teletriage also helps employers manage risk and costs. Every call is documented, giving you consistent clinical insight and better reporting for compliance and claims decisions. For companies without an on-site clinic or with remote teams, Teletriage brings trusted clinical support straight to your workforce. Protect your people no matter where they work. Learn more at medcor.com.